This commentary provides a detailed post-by-post breakdown of the digital firestorm involving General Muhoozi and the political league of Uganda PLU as they take aim at government corruption, specifically targeting the extravagant lifestyle of Speaker Anita among. And I had already posted this before, but we want to take a look at how people reacted. General Muhoozi's post in quote, "I have been Muhoozi's son for 52 years, but I've never sat in a Rolls Royce ever. I don't think Muhoozi has sat in one either." This is the anchor of the entire thread. By involving his 52-year proximity to power without luxury, Muhoozi is drawing a sharp moral line between the first family and the new money elites in parliament. It is a direct jab at Speaker Anita, who was recently reported to have acquired a Rolls Royce. Muhoozi is positioning himself as a modest servant of the state, contrasting his father's, that's Muhoozi's, simple leadership with the perceived arrogance of current parliamentary leaders. The first reply from David Kabanda said, "Bitabu said the Bachuizi in heaven must be unhappy." Kabanda, a key figure, shifts the tone from political to spiritual. By mentioning the Bachuizi semi-mythical consent rota, he implies that the current state of corruption is a violation of Uganda's ancestral destiny. This reinforces the PLU's divine right narrative. The second reply came in from Bakenyi, said, "Very modest father of ours, President Kagura Museveni." Now, analyzing this, Balam reinforces the image of Museveni as a humble leader. This helps to isolate Speaker Mong. If the president doesn't need a Rolls Royce, why does the speaker? There comes Beatrice Mao, the wife to Mao. You will sit in it by force this week or next. You will get a lift to Bukedia. This reply is dripping with irony. Bukedia is the home turf of Anita Mong. Beatrice Mao is essentially daring Muhoozi to confront the luxury head-on, suggesting that the speaker's wealth is now so pervasive he might find himself in it by force while visiting our region. SS Sebonya, the person who bought that Rolls Royce, is arrogant and extravagant. That person is worse than Marie Antoinette. This is the most aggressive character attack. Comparing Speaker Mong to Marie Antoinette suggests that the PLU views her as being dangerously out of touch with the population living in shacks. It signals that the PLU's war against her is no longer just political, it's a moral crusade. The fifth reply came in from Sharon Kamugesha. Afande Anita Mong has reportedly acquired Rolls Royce, reportedly valued at Uganda shilling 3.4 billion. This reply brings the receipt by stating the specific value 3.4 billion shillings. Kamugesha provides the fuel of public outrage. It transforms the debate from abstract extravagant to a specific staggering figure that most Ugandans cannot fathom. The sixth reply is from Nabas Alex, which is a billboard. Image shows Anita Mong's face on a billboard with the text, "The face of corruption welcomes you to Uganda." This is the ultimate visual execution. By branding the speaker as the face of corruption at the nation's gateway, the PLU is telling the world that the current parliamentary leadership is the primary obstacle of Uganda's progress. So in summary, Muhoozi's original post has acted as a catalyst for a coordinated soft coup against the speaker's reputation. By contrasting his family's 52 years of modesty against amongst 3.4 billion shilling luxury, the PLU is successfully branding the old guard as thieves and Marie Antoinette while representing themselves as the angry, handsome men sent to rescue the nation.